Hey everybody, welcome back. Another video. Today is an especially exciting episode here for two reasons. One, we're finally uploading some websites. So, this is going to be amazing. This is going to be groundbreaking. This is perhaps the finest moment in my career as an educator. Perhaps not. Also, we have a special guest on the channel. Ashley Malik, the future wife of Zayn Malik, is joining me. She is going to be uploading her website as well. Can you say hi to everybody?
Hi.
Okay, good time. So the first step we're going to go through is we're going to take a look at our website and we're going to do a little cleaning, a cleansing, if you will. We're going to take care of anything over here in the browser that might have accumulated and needs to be deleted. So for instance, Ashley actually did this before where she got rid of like some old versions of websites, cleaned off some old images. We're going to clean everything out. Now yours might look different. It might have some images. It might have different names, of course, might have different pages. But you want to get rid of anything that you're not using immediately. Now, we're going to go through the most critical step right now. I'm going to pass the computer over to Ashley. And the main thing we have to do is edit the name of our homepage. Right now, it's set to website.html. And what we're going to do is we're going to rename that to index.html. So we'll do a save as right there. Perfect. And right now it's saved as website.html. And we'll go ahead and do index.html. Okay, perfect. We'll save. Okay, there we go. Now we're good to go. We have still website.html, which is a copy. So I'm going to recommend deleting that. So again, with the goal of getting rid of all the clutter. So there we go. We've deleted it. Okay, now we're good to go. So let's do this. Let's go to File. And let's see. Let me refresh my own memory here. Let's go to Download Project. There we go. So now the project is going to download into a zip file, and it's going to appear in our Downloads folder. So let's check and just make sure that it's there. We'll click on this, and hopefully it'll open up. All right, perfect. There's our downloads. And if we open up the downloads folder, we should see here, and let me, let's see, where is this? What's it called? Website.zip. Now, do we have any kind of there it is right there. Okay, so we can right click right here, and we can go to open with Windows Explorer. And there we go. We have it. If we open up our workspace, you can see we have About Me, which is an HTML file, Fun Page, Index, Resume. All of them are HTML files. And we have our Cascading Styles sheet. All right, perfect. So onwards and forwards here. Now we're getting into the exciting part. We're going to go over to GitHub. So we've already created an account here. If you haven't done that yet, you have to do it. Click through a couple of pages. And then we're going to click on Start a Project right here. So Ashley, can you click Start a Project for me? Now here is where it gets a little bit tricky. Going to have to verify our email address. Okay, we'll take just a second to do that. Pardon us here, everyone. Oh, and now that's my email, right? Because we're recording on my account here. Hopefully this won't mess up our video. I don't think that it will, but we'll see. So a little bit about GitHub. GitHub is actually designed for, it's kind of similar to Cloud9. In fact, it might even be a competitor of Cloud9. What it does is it allows you, it's really good for versioning. So you can test out little edits of your software, and then you can either choose to upload those to your main folder, or you can not do that. Okay, now we've verified our email. So we're going to create a new repository. A repository is kind of like a project. It would be akin to a workspace in Cloud9. So now it's critical that we name this repository accurately. The key is to go with your username exactly as it was .github.io. So Ashley is going to provide us with a perfect example of this at github.io. Perfect. Okay. Now you can give it a description there. Now using this repository name is going to signal to GitHub that we want to turn it into a website eventually. So here we go. All right, a website about me. Oh, perfect. Now, public is our only option right there because we didn't pay for private. So there we go. We can go ahead and create that repository. All right, so here we go. We got our repository. Now we're just going to kind of leave this blank. Now, I am going to be honest. I'm kind of new to working with GitHub. I don't understand everything that's going on here. So I am looking forward to learning more, but luckily we do know enough, and I watched enough other people's YouTube videos to be able to do this myself. So what we're going to do is actually download GitHub Desktop. So you can navigate to this URL, desktop.github.com. And then it should have the option right there to download it. You can also search GitHub Desktop, and then once we install everything, it should only take a few seconds, and we'll come to something that looks like this. Let's actually go ahead and minimize right here. So here we go. Welcome to GitHub Desktop. Now, GitHub Desktop is going to ask you to sign in to GitHub. So we're going to have to sign in with that account again. So a little bit of a a lot of paperwork kind of to take care of. So is that your username for GitHub?
No.
It's not the Cloud9 username. It's the GitHub. So don't forget about that. Well, I think capitals might matter. Okay. I think we'll just click continue. No worries there. That's probably fine. Click finish. All right, perfect. So now what we're going to choose to do is to clone an existing project from GitHub onto your computer. So we're pulling a GitHub. We're going to take the one that we created right here. So our ashley.malik.github.io. Am I saying Malik right? Okay, perfect. I'm going to take that and I'm going to clone it onto the computer. So I'm basically saying this repository, this project folder exists on GitHub's servers and everything. And now it's also going to exist on the desktop. So we're pulling it from the internet and we're syncing it up with our computer right here. So we're going to choose here. Now it says, where do you want to save this? This is kind of up to you. I would recommend either saving it in the documents folder or on the desktop for easy access. Perhaps we'll go we'll go with documents. Let's go with documents folder. So it'll be right there. We'll save it in the documents folder. We'll select that folder. That destination already exists. Okay. So we can just choose, right? And we'll clone it. No? What's going on? Why is this not working? Local path. All right, we'll try choosing this. Let's see if desktop will work better. Select folder. Okay, now it changes to desktop and we will clone. Oh, maybe it already exists. You know what? Maybe we don't have to do this. I take it back. Let's click cancel. Clone an existing project from GitHub to your computer. Okay. Is this what we do? This is what I did, right? We clone repository. Yeah. Yeah, clone repository. Sorry, guys. Your repositories. Oh, okay. Maybe we didn't. Okay, I see. So we didn't click on it. There we go. All right. Perfect. Okay, there we go. Good deal. All right. And so now that we're here, we're going to go through the file pages here a little bit. So let's see. So let's open up another file explorer here. So let's go to File, open up new window, and it opened up. So we can see we have our website right here, which is in the Downloads folder. Oops. Then in the website. So we're gonna again have to open this with Windows Explorer, and in the workspace right here. Now what we need to do is in this one, we need to go back to our documents folder and we need to find our GitHub folder and we need to find this folder right here, which is our project, right? ashley.malik.github.io. Now it's not too hard. All we need to do is copy our list of web page documents. Jim, we're just going to copy that straight into the GitHub folder. So you're just going to click and drag everything in there. Perfect. You can select everything at once if you hit shift, I think. Try holding shift down. Okay, now click on style. at the bottom of the list there. Okay, now you can drag everything in at once. Okay. Perfect. Now we're going to put them all into the folder there. So we'll just move all these into the folder right there, and we'll grab this one just for good measure. Okay, perfect. Now, let's see. Let's minimize this, and we'll go to here. All right, so now what do we do? Now we'll go back to GitHub desktop, and you can see that all of our pages are right here, right? We have our metadata stuff, which we really haven't dug into, but we have all the critical ones: the About Me page, Fun page, Index, Resume, and Style. So now what we need to do is these are existing in the row. So we need to tell we need to tell, let's see. So we need to put in we're going to upload this to GitHub, the website. So go ahead and type in a summary there or a description, my website. And you could say like version 1 or something like that. Version 1. Perfect. Okay. And then we can click commit to master here. Committing to master is probably going to take a sec. All right, so there we go. So now the changes are blank, but if we click here on the history, you can see we went there and we did that. Now we can click publish this branch to GitHub. Now it's going up to GitHub. Going to take a second to do its thing here, right? So we committed it to the master. Now we're uploading it to GitHub, and I think we are all set here. And we'll just click this one more time just for fun, I guess. And now, all right, so now let's see if it works. Time for the big reveal. Let's go to ashleymalik.github.io, and my fingers are crossed. I don't know about yours. GitHub, and we'll see if it's there. It works!
Yay!
Nice. Okay, so good. So you can show all your friends, all your family. We'll publish this. We'll tell everybody in the school to go to this one. Just kidding. We won't do that. You can show it to whoever you want, though. And that seems like a good way to end the video. Thanks for watching. Good luck getting it uploaded.